Okay. Number 2, come on. Appender. Number 3, layout. 3 objects are there, guys. One is logger object, other one is appender object, last one is layout object. Yes, we are going to use only these 3 objects, and these 3 objects internal uses lot of supporting to both. Understood my statement, guys? Yeah, slowly we are getting into programming. Don't relax. Please don't relax. Slowly we are getting into programming, boss. Now listen. Logger object. Yeah, what is this? Enables the given Java class, guys. Next. Okay. Useful to generate log messages from the application having different priority levels. Okay, guys, different priority levels. What are the methods? Logger dot debug. Listen, if I write, this is my log message, guys. Okay, guys. Logger dot debug. What will be the logger priority level, guys? Come on, guys. This whatever message, I am in main method. This is message, guys, log message. Yeah. See, not only this message is written to destination, boss. That message is now written having what level? Debug level. What, guys? Debug level. Are you getting my point? Yes. Next one. Then we have one more method. Direct methods are there. That's a good news. Info. Yeah. Method call itself decides the logger level, boss. Priority level. Warn. Method call itself decides. Warn. Next, error. Hey, we don't have all and in off, boss. Don't think that all and off methods will be there. Do you think it will be there? Warn. Only towards retrieving, boss, not towards what? Generating log messages. Sir, enables logging on given Java class. Logger is equal to logger dot get logger. Static factory method, boss. Get logger of. On which class you want to enable logging? That current class name. Okay. What is this? Current class related. Current Java class related. Current Java class related. Java.lang.class object. So ultimately you have to pass current class name, boss. You have to pass object of java.lang.class. Come on. You have to pass object of java.lang.class. Okay, representing current class, representing current Java class. I think you know, understand this. Okay, fine. Lager is equal to lager dot get lager. So now listen. Example. Lager is equal to lager is equal to, come on, lager dot get lager of. Suppose I am in a service class. That service class is doing bank operations, guys. Okay, then what? Bank services management dot class. Tell me, I am passing dot class file. I am passing object of java dot lang dot class. Yeah, not double quotes, my dear. Single quote, no quotes are required. It is what? Object of java dot lang dot class holding bank services management class, right? Holding bank services management class. It is what, guys? Object of java dot lang dot class representing bank services management class. Bank services management class. Come on, Reflection API. That's the story of Reflection API or not? Yes. Now tell me, guys. Lager class is singleton class, guys. Lager class is singleton Java class. Now listen. Now listen. You write this line in 10 classes. You write this line in 10 classes. Passing 10 different class names. 10 objects are created. Only one object is created. One object is created. That means the log file name, logger level to retrieve log messages, all these are what? Will be taken only for one time, na? All those things will be taken only for one time. So what is the advantage? What is the advantage? All 10 classes related log messages will go to single file. And all 10 classes related log messages will be retrieved according to logger level that we are filtering, right? According to logger level that we are filtering. Because in all 10 classes together, only one object is created for logger class. So that single logger level to filter the log messages, single log4 configurations like destination file, etc., etc. Destination file, etc., etc. I hope you convinced, guys. Tell me, boss, in real time, we write log messages continuously like this, or in the middle of the application code, log messages will be there? In the middle of the, these messages will be there, in the middle of application code. In the middle of the application code, guys. Later. Allows to specify logger level to retrieve the log messages. To retrieve the log messages. To retrieve the log messages, guys. How, sir? Logger dot set level dot debug and higher messages. Logger dot set level dot debug. Yes, boss. So this is about logger object, guys. This is about logger object. Now listen. Both appender object, both appender object, layout objects will be added to logger object. Will be added to logger object. Are you listening, boss? Will be added to logger object directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. Next. Instructions are inputs to logger object can be hard coded. Or logger dot set level is to specify logger level, priority level while retrieving the log message, boss. Priority level to retrieve the log messages. What's happening, my dear? Level.debug is one constant. It's an enum. Level.debug is one constant. It's an enum. Mr. J. Ravi Kalyan Kaladar. I don't know where you stuck up. I spent this much time, right? Allows to retrieve log message by applying filters. Yeah, that filter is this only, na boss. If I set level.debug as the logger level to retrieve by filtering, then I will get debug and above messages, right? In this place, if I write warn and above messages, Mr. Ravi, I hope you settled now. Allows to specify logger level to retrieve the log messages. Instructions are inputs to logger object can be hard coded or can be given using properties file or XML file. Using properties file or XML file. I think you got clear-cut idea about logger object, boss. Clear-cut idea you got about logger object or not? Done. Appender object, guys. Appender object. Don't worry. You will get more clarity when I start doing coding. But try to know what is what. Appender object specifies the destination where to record the log messages. The destination where to record the log messages. Where to record the log messages. Now listen, lot of appenders are there, guys. A lot of appenders are there. Example, file appender. All these classes directly, indirectly implements appender interface, guys. Directly or indirectly implements appender interface. That's why they are called appender objects. File appender, rolling file appender. Daily rolling file appender. Okay. File appender, rolling file appender, daily rolling file appender. Daily rolling file appender. Come on, guys. Daily rolling file appender. Speak out, speak out. Next one, JDBC appender. JDBC appender. Next, IMAP appender to write to mail servers, mail servers. IMAP appender, not HTML appender is not there, and etc. And etc. Okay. Tell me, guys, these three things are taking destination as a file. Takes destination as a file. Takes file as the destination. Destination. Takes the file as the destination. Now tell me, guys, what is this? Takes database software as destination. Okay. Takes mail server as destination. Takes mail server as destination. Sir, I really like a file appender. What is this rolling file appender and daily rolling file appender? That is another interesting one, boss. Yes, look at the rolling file appender story. We're going to see all the things practically, don't worry. Rolling file appender. Okay. Guys, did I introduce any coding, boss? Without seeing only, if you say I'm confused, what can I do? I'm just explaining what is what, and people are saying I'm confused. I'm just telling the roles of each object, boss. I don't know where is your brains. If you are still confused, you are very poor in core Java. Sorry to say. Very poor in core Java. I'm just telling what is what. I didn't start cooking the food. I didn't start the cooking food. I'm just talking about what? I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. If someone decides he's strong in core Java, jump into the dryness. You don't decide. Let the topic decide whether you are good in core Java or not. Okay. Attitude problems. Okay. Fine, boss. Rolling file appender. I didn't start coding, boss. Are you feeling heavy? Lager object story, you are feeling heavy, guys? Are you using Lager object? We can do this. Like this, we can enable. Like this, we can write log messages. Like this, we can specify Lager level. Okay. It's all about your attitude, guys. Listening 50%, sleeping some 50% means problem. Okay. 95% people, 98% people are saying that no problem. So 2% people should think that. 2% people should think that where we are going wrong. Fine. Rolling file appender. It's all about accepting. So you have to keep your brain accepting new things. No, in new topic calls, I should get old things means, then don't come for new topic. Clear? You have to open your brain. You have to open your brain accepting the new things. If that attitude is not there, it's a waste. You cannot grow in the life. Why so many people feels learning new things heavy? Because they don't open their brain first. I came here to learn new things. I have to open my brain. If not first attempt, in second attempt, I am going to understand. I have to focus. Like this, they never open their brain. They'll expect same core Java should repeat again and again. If core Java repeats again and again, why these are called new courses? Attitude of learning is very important in life, guys. Fine. Rolling file appender, guys. See, giving the statement, feeling heavy, giving the statement I am not following is very easy. Very easy. But analyzing, when others are understanding, why I'm not understanding it. Okay. analyzing and focusing. Why I won't understand it? This is also another Java subject. I already know Java. That is attitude that is required. Before tasting yourself, if you are giving up, nothing will happen, boss. First taste completely, then come to one conclusion, whether it is good or bad. Before tasting itself, if you come to one conclusion, this is not my cup of tea, then you should jump into the dryness. I'm just introducing what is what now people are giving up. Sir, it's new to me. Great. Okay. Big packages won't come just like that, boss. You should be expert in technology. You should be expert in what? Fundamentals. You should be expert in tools. You should be expert in frameworks. You should be expert in processes. And you